Hello guys, myself Rohit, first year ISC, startup company multi-year dynamics. Product present name bag, product proposed name steel guard light. Empathizing stage, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. It should be unique and exclusive quality, weight distribution, secret pockets, strong strap, charging port, jetpack to fly. Define stage. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name, bag, futuristic product name, steel guardi light. Ideate stage. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Autonomous navigation, GPS integration with autonomous flight capabilities to follow preset routes or follow the owner. Safety features, parachutes or emergency landing systems for safe descents in case of malfunctions. Obstacle avoidance sensors and AI for detecting and avoiding obstacles in real time. Weight capacity sensors to monitor and display the weight being carried to avoid overloading. Prototype stage. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to time constraint. The mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing stage. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.